my lovely people. It is day 27 of Vlogust and Mediterranean Lifestyle Month. I'm in the line at Starbucks. It's a really hot day. We were going to make some kind of vegetable soup tonight that was from a Mediterranean diet cookbook, but it's just so hot I think we're going to do something else. So we're going to go to the farmer's market and see what we can find, and we're going to make farmer's market pasta tonight because, you know, pasta is life. And also we went out to lunch because I just wanted to go someplace and just have a little fancy lunch and have someone else clean it up for me and things like that. You know how it is. So I'm going to cut in pictures right now of what we had for lunch, and I used a new app on my phone that kind of makes them look like 1990s instant camera, so I hope you enjoy the pictures. We're also going to make some homemade lemonade this afternoon because we bought a lot of lemons when we were at Whole Foods. And we're going to actually have a lemon day coming up, and we'll probably do it on Thursday, I think. Because someone who was watching one of my videos asked me for some recipes that use lemon flavor. So I think we're going to do an entire lemon day. I think that'll be fun. But today we're making lemonade, but we also have some limoncello that we've been making over the few days, and I'll show you how we make that. But that's been sitting in a big giant mason jar, just stewing and becoming limoncello for about 4 days now. So come along for the rest of the day. Things at the farmer's market, but I think what I'm going to use for dinner are the mushrooms, some asparagus, and a cherry pepper. And I'm going to make a farmer's market pasta. And I bought fresh pasta somewhere too, but I don't know what I do with it. Oh, here it is. Here's the fresh pasta. It's orecchiette, which is little ears. So I think that'll be fun. Okay, well here are the ingredients for tonight's pasta. I chopped up one of the packages of mushrooms that we had. We had these little baby multicolored heirlooms. This is what they look like when they were whole. I cut them into some small pieces. I chopped up a cherry pepper. This is a fresh cherry pepper. Just cut it tiny. I wanted to add some heat. And I bought some asparagus, and I took 3 chops down the line, and I threw the rest of the stems away because they can get kind of tough. So I am going to start with these to soften them up, and then add the mushrooms, and then little by little add the ingredients. And I'm gonna make it a little creamy by putting some mascarpone cheese in at the end. Warming the asparagus up in a little bit of olive oil before I add the mushrooms. Now I've added the mushrooms and tomatoes together and a little bit of water because I don't want to keep adding oil and I didn't want everything to stick to the bottom. So I'm gonna put a lid on this now and let them soften up a bit. Also adding a tiny splash of white wine. I just lowered the heat, and I'm adding the usual. I also added a little bit of salt. These are softening up nicely, so I just added the cherry pepper, and hopefully it won't be too hot. This is the pasta I'm using. It takes about 6 to 7 minutes, so in goes the pasta. Orecchiette is fun because it's like little ear shapes. I'm going to pour it all in right away. I don't want to overwhelm the juices. This might actually just be enough. I'm going to stir this up, let it mix together for a little bit, and then I'm going to add the mascarpone cheese at the end. I added a little bit of pasta water because I knew this pasta was going to start sucking up the juices here. So it's absorbing it all. And now I'm adding a big spoonful of mascarpone cheese. Whoop, if I can get it off the spoon. So I'm going to let this melt in and then decide if I want to put a little bit more in. But it makes a nice creaminess, gives it like a glossiness. And I can already tell that I'm going to add a little bit more. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed tonight's pasta dinner, our farmer's market pasta, and check back with me in 2 days. I'll see you then. Bye.